Akatura para Tuamus, Chukukanibia, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the one true God. Power! All of the Chukukanibia, one lawyer, Prophet David Yahweh, the spiritual word of the Most High. On our Paras, on the 2nd of August, every first Sunday of the month, in King Paras Hall of Agor Paras Way. Are you in Lagos? Are you in Abuja? Are you in America? Are you in Anambra State? Are you in Enugu State? Everybody you know, we also reach there. Come and meet a man with 1.16 million angel. The most altar in the world, altar of fire, altar of solution, altar of liberation, altar that great men and women build here. Come and meet Prophet David Yahweh Chukwukanibia. When you check this to the Lord of Kadi, I am going to keep us up. We are unstoppable, we are incorruptible, we are the Semanites, we are the Israelites, we are the Jews, we are the chosen one. If you try me, you die. Power! Power! Masate kabusha katate balabosidia. Power! All Chukwukanibia boya, Chukwukanibia ego, Chukwukanibia sige. Onye meri power of okide. I no come to free here. There's a man about the muscle. No come to about the muscle. I have 1.16 million angel. It no shame muscle. I buy the free here. I grab power. Hey. I come from above to deliver my people. All Chukwukanibia, all the men of Zion City who is searching it there. All the men of Zion City, the New Jerusalem, who is searching it there. Power! Hey! October 2025, Dr. Chukwukanibia, life in Lagos. I never Agor Paras. In on Ikondo, in on Ancestor, in on Anjan, in on anywhere. Here, I meet power of God. The most powerful in the world. Power. On Chukwukanibia. We are unstoppable. We are the Zionites. We are the Israelites. We are the evil Jews. I am the chosen one. Dr. Chukwukanibia, one lawyer, on a life in Agor Paras way. On the 2nd of August, promises. Come and see power. Instant healing. Instant miracle. Instant solution. God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Power, mass power. Ike Pentecost. Ike Pentecost. Ike Burabara Blamos. Ike Buroki. Ike Baron of the Billy Hakri. I'm not got at the very side. How much Chukwukanibia? Okalama. Who God said to destroy the kingdom of darkness? Power! Hey! Spiritual warlord. I never go and keep on saying, if you find me, now I have 1.60 million angel. This is for the powerful in the world. Altar of Yahweh, altar that answer prayer. Come and meet who God sent to deliver me from occultic and occultism. Don't come to Navarro. If you have for Navarro,